Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix hotspot not working on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to use the hotspot of your iPhone iOS 26, and if it is not turned on, and if you are unable to use the passcode, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or internet connection, which means you have turned on the mobile data. So if you have already turned on the mobile data and you see that a hotspot option is still not turned on, so you have to simply make sure about that. So you have to simply go to settings, and after that you can simply look for the mobile services, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the mobile data. Moreover, you can also check for your network whether it is working well or not. So for this you have to simply go to settings and general, and after that you have to simply restart your network again, and after that you have to turn on the mobile data again, and you have to check whether your hotspot option is working or not. If it is still not working and you are using the eSIM, then you have to make sure that eSIM is working properly on your iPhone iOS 26. But if you are using physical SIM, then you have to simply remove the SIM from the SIM ejector, and after that you can simply insert it again so that it can restart your network, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there and your hotspot is not working still, then you have to simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.